Hey guys, Nathaniel with Buck Archery Supply. Doing a little video today on the PSC Razorback Junior. It's a youth recurve that we carry in the shop. We stock them in 15, 20, 25, and you can grab them on our website at buckeyearcherysupply.com. Show you how to put it together real quick. This will mark for your bottom limb. It shows you. Always want to make sure you get the bottom on the bottom. Take it and just thread it in there. We'll show you how to string it in just a second to get this top started. This is a stringer that you can get, and all this stuff is right there on our website. We'll put a link in the comments. Finger tab. Alright, so we got our stringer on. This is on your bottom, and you want to have that facing where it's going to pull this way. Same with this. You don't want to get it confused. Have it just like that, and then you're going to step on it just like so. Get you some tension on there. Slide it on. Make sure it's in the grooves. Pull the pressure down. Always a good habit to go ahead and check, make sure they're both in their grooves good, as they are. So we'll go ahead and remove it. And these will be in the link as well. I think I showed it to you earlier in the video. This one already has a knock point on it, so we won't show that. I'll probably do a video of showing that, just so your arrow can set under it. I tied this one a little bit high. So we'll go out here and we'll shoot this bad boy. Well, that concludes this week's video. Thank you guys for joining us. Hopefully you learned a thing or two. Don't forget to check us out at buckeyearcherysupply.com.